If your concrete floor is cracked, pitted, or breaking apart, it's more than just an eyesore, it's a safety hazard, an equipment risk, and a sign of bigger problems ahead. In this video, I'll explain what floor patching is, when it's the right solution, and how it can save you from the cost of a full replacement. I'm Tom, President of Custom Crete Industrial Surfaces. With the right patching techniques, we can restore the strength of your floor and extend its life without the major expense of tearing it out. Floor patching removes loose or broken concrete and replaces it with durable repair materials designed to bond tightly to your existing slab. Depending on the damage, we may use epoxy-based mortars, quick-setting concrete, or other heavy-duty industrial repair materials. The goal is always the same, to restore a smooth, strong surface ready for traffic and any future coatings or flooring systems. It's ideal for localized damage like cracks, pits, pop-outs, spalling, or damaged expansion joints. We see it most often in warehouses, manufacturing plants, food processing facilities, and other high-traffic spaces where uneven floors can cause trip hazards, damaged forklifts, or create drainage issues. The best time to patch is as soon as damage appears. Small repairs are easier, less expensive, and prevent bigger problems later. Patching is also smart before installing a new coating or flooring system, before an inspection, or whenever damage is affecting safety or productivity. Concrete damage only gets worse over time. Patching restores safety, protects your equipment, keeps moisture from getting into the concrete, and gives you a smooth surface that's easier to clean and safer to use. It's far more cost-effective than replacement, and repairing early can save thousands in the long run. If your floors are showing signs of damage, don't wait. Fill out our Request a Quote form and we'll inspect your floor, recommend the best repair, and get your surface back to safe, strong, and smooth in no time.